So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am IMZ Mentor. Today I'm going to be showing you what you can do online with Canva and Pixar and all that. So instead of downloading all the softwares, you can also do things online, video editing, also thumbnail making and everything. So I will tell you some softwares which will help you in all this. So first we'll start by Canva. So as you guys know, Canva, I also I use Canva for video editing or some thumbnail making. So it's possible you can just search over here YouTube thumbnails and you get templates and projects, or you can just start by a new one from here. It's custom. And then you can start with a new one, or just from here. And you can search YouTube thumbnail or something. Let's search thumbnail. And you'll start newly. See? And you guys like mostly you all guys know how Canva works. So let's move on to the next one. So Pixar. So next is Pixar. So this Pixar is pretty powerful, and it has all these things it can do. It can make a logo maker, flyer maker, like all this. Okay, and the AI tools are these. Even Canva has AI tools. Okay, so these are the creating tools for this. There are a lot. Let's see all. There's a lot of things you can do in Pixar too. So let's check out one of this. So you can also remove the background and remove object stickers, photo to cartoon. That's pretty good. So let's move on to the next one, which is a clip jump. Okay. So this is a video editor. Okay. So this is also a video editor. I will show you all the interfaces after this. So there are also some AI tools. See, video with AI, and the last one is photo. So I think many of you will know Photor. So this is Photor, and you can just edit a video or edit a photo over here with Photor. See, it's a photo editor, and you can just check all the photos from here. So now I will show you the interface for Clipchamp. Let me just create from new scratch. Let's see what happens. See, it's a video editor, and let's go to PixArt and let's create new project. See, all web editor, PixArt. And you can select anything you want from here, and that you guys already know Canva. Let's search documents. Okay, so here is it. We can also type in this, and also we can edit our videos also in this Canva and PixArt and all this. So this is used online, and sometimes you can use this, but if you cannot afford any of the softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or Adobe Premiere Pro, so you can use these softwares. So these are pretty good. They're basic level, but also you should like get the paid software because they can do more like job done in minutes. But then this will take a lot of time, and also they will give you better quality results. Like you can do this for temporary times, but it's better to get a paid software or a software for video editing or creating thumbnails. So these are all the things you can do online instead of having softwares only temporarily. I just suggest that you should get softwares. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.